What's going on, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. And what I'm doing this time round is I've got a Vauxhall Astra on a 2009 Vauxhall Astra, that is. And we're going to go ahead and replace the rocker cover gasket, or it's called the cam cover gasket. We're going to go ahead and replace that. It's a rubber seal, it's perished. We're going to go ahead and replace that. It's dead easy. It should take you no more than half an hour. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this bit off here. Just pulls off. Okay, that moves out of the way. Then what we'll do is we'll take this cover off here. Simple things first. Get a flat screwdriver. Just pry it off there. There we go. You see there's an arrow there, which means goes that way. Take that off, move that out of the way. We'll take the coil pack off. So I've done this video before, taking the coil pack off, dead easy. Take this clip off from here. Move that out of the way. There we go. Happy days. We're going to take this Torx off and this Torx off. Let's see if I can do it with a screwdriver. I can't do it with a screwdriver. So we're going to get a Torx. I think it's a Torx 30 or a Torx 40. Yeah, it's a Torx 40. Let's go ahead and take them two off. Let's go. Okay, so Torx 40. Takes this one off. This one off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this little piece off. Just be careful when you're taking this off. 9 times out of 10 it breaks. Okay, so this time it's not breaking for some reason. I hope it did, so then that way I can just get rid of it. So anyway, little clips here. Can you see these little clips? This one, another one here, all the way around. We're going to get a little pick and just basically just pry it open. There's another one there, another one here. You get the picture. Basically, main objective is we're going to have to take this cover off like that. As you can see, all the wires go inside there. I mean, back in the day they used to snap, you know, but I think they've reinforced them. So they should come off nice and easy now. There we go, another one's off there. So these two left here, let's take them off as well. There we go, another one there with a little pick. Can't really get it wrong. There we go, that's another one off. That cover comes off. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we've got a few little clips here. This one here. Okay, this one here. There's one in the middle right there. And I think that's about it. Actually, yeah. There's two clips basically. One here, one here. We're just going to push the clip back, as you can see there. Push that clip back and then lift that cover up. Same with this one as well. Push that clip back, lift the cover up, and then that way. I don't want to take all the wiring plugs, everything off. I mean, you can go ahead and take all the injector wires off, everything. More things to take off, more potential to mess things up. So just leave them as it is. If we can just move this out of the way without taking any wiring plugs and things off, then happy days. So what we're going to do is just move that out of the way, lift it up. Same with this one as well. Move that out of the way, as you can see there. Lift it up, and hopefully this plastic piece should come off. And yeah, we'll go from there. So as you can see there, the wire is still connected to the ECU or anything. I'm not pulling nothing. There's another clip, by the way, down on this side. So there's 3, 1, 2 and 3, exactly the same way. Just push them back and the wiring plug just lifts up. We're not pulling anything, we're not stressing anything out. There we go, happy days. That plastic piece comes off as well. So now we can get to the bolts. No problem whatsoever. We didn't have to take any of the wiring plugs off. Let's go. Right, guys, obviously we've took that plastic cover off everything. Wiring plug is out of the way, as you can see there. We don't need to take all the plugs off. Like I mentioned, the less we take off, the better. We'll just have to take this airflow meter wire off here. This little plug off here, it presses there and just take it off. So that way it gives us so much room now, basically, to take the rocker cover off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this little pipe off. It's got a little clip there, as you can see. What we'll do is flick that clip off, right, and basically take that pipe off, and then we'll go from there. We've took that pipe off. Next thing is absolutely dead easy. See these little Torx, the E10, that is. This is the one you need. E10 star. We're going to go ahead and take all these off. It goes all the way around the rocker cover, all the way around. take them off, and that's about it. The rocker cover should come off. We've got one in the middle there, or two in the middle, one here, one here. So basically the main objective is take all the bolts off, and that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see here, all the bolts are off. They don't come off totally. Basically they're loose and they're stuck onto the rocker cover. But the thing is, the rocker cover itself is stuck onto the head. So we need to pry it off or give it a little tap. Be careful because it's only plastic and it will break if you force it too much. So on the edge here, just get like a scraper or something and just basically pry it off. You can see it's moving. It's moving. So basically there's no nice way to do it. You just have to maneuver it a little bit and eventually it will come off. So just bear that in mind, don't go breaking it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so that's it, everything is off. I've already, as you can see, it's separated from the head. I had to pry it a little bit with the flat screwdriver. I even got the pry bar on it. Just be careful, like I mentioned, be careful. So obviously I'm going to move it, the wires and everything out of the way, take the rocker cover off. So yeah, two-hand job. I'll take it off and I'll get back at you guys. Right, there we have it. Rocker cover is totally off. Okay, the thing that we're going to replace, the main thing what we're going to do is we're going to replace the seal here. Okay, so to take the seal off, I mean it's not rocket science, just get a little pick. Get a little pick like that and all you do is just pick the seal out and that's about it. I mean I would do it but I'm holding the camera and I can't show you at the same time, so all you do, little pick like that, get the seal out, get the new one on. Also what you do is you should get these as well, these seals that go on the coil pack, underneath the coil pack and the spark plug. So make sure you get these and replace these as well. They go inside here. I mean it's not hard to replace them as well. They go in there as well. I mean if you just replace the rocker gasket, it will do for the outer oil leak, but internally here you don't want the oil going in there. As you can see there, it's gone in there. You don't want the oil going in there as well, so make sure you replace these seals as well. Right, okay, let's do it. There we go, the seal is totally off, as you can see here. I mean not hard at all. Get a little pick and it just comes straight off. As for all this round here, around the head and everything, clean it up best you can. Sandpaper, some you know, brake cleaner, things like that. Clean it up best you can, and then hopefully you don't need to put no seals or anything on that. Okay, don't put no sealant or anything like that. It's rubber. It should make a nice seal without any like gasket sealant or anything like that. We're not going to do any of that. Just going to put the rubber seal on and that's it. Let's clean it up and that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've got the seal back on. Not rocket science. The way it came off, we just put it back on. Seals back on. It does come with that actually. These seals in the middle. It comes with these seals as well in the middle, attached to the rocker gasket. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to refit it in reverse order, bang this back on, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've got the cover back on. all the bolts are back on, these torques. Right, for the torque settings, I mean, you don't really need to torque them up or anything like that. Just go tight, hand tight, as much as you can without snapping them, that is. If you want to really go with the torque setting, they're about 8 to 10 Newton meters, 8 Newton meters. Yeah, so which is not even nothing, basically, hand tight. So yeah, they're on. I'm going to finish everything off in reverse order. Let's go, let's do it. What's up, yeah? Talk, it's alright, it don't matter. Talk, you can talk, it don't matter. I'm going to leave you go beside this, isn't it? Right, there we have it, all done and dusted. Rocker cover is on, the cam cover is on, that is, the cam box cover. Right, and yeah, the seal's on, all tightened up and everything. I'm going to clean that part out, all this out with brake clean and everything, clean it out properly, and that's it, job done. Well, there we have it, guys, all done and dusted. 2009 Vauxhall Astra, right? Petrol, that is. We've replaced the rocker gasket, the cam cover seal, that is. Yeah, dead easy, not the hardest job in the world. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.